Today I want to share with you what I've been working on and what I'm planning to do going forward. What you can see here is a MetaTrader 4 platform with a lot of expert advisors. Actually, it's 65 expert advisors to be exact, and we're currently testing this on 3 different pairs. Each one of these pairs, we're testing a variety of different time frames. Each one of these expert advisors trades differently from the other. What we're going to be doing is forward testing this on demo over the next month or two, grabbing all the information from this. So everything is connected to my FX book and FX Blue. And from the results, I'm going to pick the ones that I want to go forward with. These are the 2 companies I'm choosing to use once the test is complete. If anyone has any questions about this, let me know. And until next time, bye for now.